Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk by Sara English. Thank you so much for being here with me today. This video is a slow English practice lesson, so please relax, sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and enjoy listening. If you want to improve your speaking, you can repeat each sentence slowly after me. Today, I will tell you a very long story about myself. This will help you understand English naturally and learn many new words in context. So let's begin. My name is Sara Anderson. My first name is Sara. My last name is Anderson. I like my name because it is short, simple, and easy to remember. When people hear my name, they usually smile and say, "Oh, that's a nice name." Please repeat after me. My name is Sara Anderson. Good job. I am 25 years old, and this year I will turn 26. My birthday is April 10th. Birthdays are special to me, not because of big parties or big gifts, but because birthdays remind me that life is short and beautiful. Some years I celebrate with my family. Some years I travel. Some years I simply stay home, relax, drink coffee, and watch the sunrise. A peaceful birthday is my favorite. And you? How old are you? When is your birthday? I was born in the United States, in a small town in Ohio. Ohio is a quiet, friendly place with 4 seasons: warm springs, hot summers, colorful autumns, and cold, snowy winters. When I was a child, I loved playing outside. In summer, I rode my bicycle with my friends. In fall, I jumped into big piles of leaves. In winter, I made snowmen and had snowball fights. In spring, I helped my mom plant flowers in our small garden. Where did you grow up? Was your childhood similar or different? I went to a small school in Ohio. My teachers were kind and patient. My favorite classes were English, art, and history. I loved reading stories and learning about people from different times and places. School was not perfect, but it helped me become who I am today. When I finished high school, I moved to California for university. It was a big change. Ohio felt small and quiet. California felt big, loud, colorful, and full of energy. I loved it. At university, I studied education and English language teaching. I learned how to explain grammar, how to teach vocabulary, and how to help students feel confident. I also studied psychology to understand how people learn and how the brain remembers new information. During university, I worked part-time at a coffee shop. I learned how to make lattes, cappuccinos, and cold brew coffee. I met many interesting people every day. Did you study at university? What did you study? After graduating, I started working as an online English teacher, and my world changed again. Suddenly, I was talking to students from all around the world. I had lessons with students from Japan, Mexico, France, India, Saudi Arabia, Turkey, China, Brazil, Korea, and many more countries. Every day felt like traveling without leaving my home. Teaching became my passion. I realized that I love helping people feel brave when they speak English. I love when students say, "Sarah, today I understood everything," or "Sarah, I spoke English at work today." These moments make me smile. And you? What is your job? Do you like it? I speak English and I am learning Spanish. Spanish is beautiful, but also challenging. Sometimes I understand everything, and sometimes I understand nothing. But that's okay. Learning a new language takes time, patience, and practice. What languages do you speak? Why are you learning English? In my free time, I enjoy many peaceful activities. I love walking outside in the morning when the world is quiet. I enjoy reading books, especially novels and self-improvement books. I love sitting in small cafes with soft music and warm lights. Cafes help me think, relax, and get inspired. I also enjoy traveling. Every country has something special. Japan has beautiful traditions. Italy has delicious food. Mexico has warm, friendly people. Canada has amazing nature. Traveling teaches me to appreciate the world and to respect different cultures. Do you like traveling? Where would you like to go in the future? My favorite food is Japanese food. I love sushi, ramen, miso soup, and matcha desserts. I also enjoy Mexican tacos, Italian pasta, and Mediterranean salads. Food tells stories. Food connects people. Food is a language everyone understands. What is your favorite food? Do you prefer sweet, salty, spicy, or sour foods? In Talk by Sara English, I create videos to help you learn English easily. I make slow English stories, pronunciation lessons, vocabulary videos, and speaking practice. I want you to feel relaxed, supported, and confident. Please remember, you don't need perfect English. You need brave English. Practice a little bit every day. Listen, repeat, speak, make mistakes, and keep going. Thank you so much for listening to my story today. Now, it's your turn. Please write in the comments your name, your age, your country, your job or studies, your hobbies, your favorite food, and one thing you want to learn in English. I will read your comments and help you improve. Thank you for watching Talk by Sara English. Please like, comment, and subscribe so more people can learn English with us. I will be going live on April 12 at 3 p.m. UTC to practice English together. Have a beautiful day. See you next time. Bye!